We are going to make butter chicken in a restaurant style. That means restaurant style butter chicken. So here are the ingredients which we are going to use to marinate the butter chicken. That means chicken pieces. Add all the ingredients mentioned under to marinate to the chicken pieces. Now mix it well with the chicken pieces. Keep the chicken pieces to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. Though overnight will be the best. Well marinated now. So these are the cooking ingredients which we are going to use in today's our butter chicken recipe. So you can get the list of the ingredients from the video description box. Also I am using here Kashmiri red chili powder instead of degi mirch or plain red chili powder because it will enhance the color. Take 1 tablespoon of oil and let it heat. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onions into it. Now let them cook till they start changing color or start getting light brown. Add tomatoes. Add salt. Now give it a mix. Now let it cook for 2 minutes on medium flame or high medium. Add cashews, chili powder and garam masala and give it a mix. Also add turmeric powder. Cook for a minute. Now switch off the flame and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Then grind it to fine paste and add some little water while grinding. After grinding, keep our paste aside till further usage. Now in the same vessel or pan, take butter and let it heat. Once hot, add our whole spices, that means bay leaf, red chili dry and cardamom as well as cloves and cinnamon. Stick into it and let it cook for 30 to 40 seconds or 1 minute or till it start releasing the aroma. Now add ginger garlic paste to it and let it cook for around 45 seconds to a minute or till the raw smell goes away. Now add our marinated chicken pieces into it and let them cook till the spices, the marinade which we use for marination, dries off by itself. No need to add any water, and it will take around 6 to 10 minutes depending on your burner. But keep an eye that it is not sticking to the base, so stay once in between. You don't have to add any water as of now. Now our spices have almost dried up and also the chicken pieces has released all its water. Now add our grinded paste into it. Give it a good mix. Now let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add water. Now give it a mix. Now cover the pan or the cooker. No need to close it and let it cook for some time till the chicken pieces becomes tender, and let it cook on low medium heat, and it should around take 15 to 20 minutes. Check once in between, and if needed add some more water. So we have to cook till the chicken pieces have become tender. Now once the chicken pieces are tender, add kasuri methi and sugar. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now add fresh cream. Give it a good mix and let it cook for a minute. Now we will transfer butter chicken to the serving dish. Switch off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So friends, here is our delicious butter chicken ready to eat. You can enjoy it with roti, chapati, rice or naan, and you can garnish it with some fresh cream. Also you can use very few coriander leaves to garnish. Please try it at home once, and if you like the recipe, then please do like our video and also please share it and also please subscribe it. So friends, enjoy your butter chicken, restaurant style butter chicken with roti, chapati, rice or naan. Very soon we'll see you again with a new dish, with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Have a good night.